padlock is with him. Masereka, where's the padlock? You close.
That on a plate with the food. As you're
the storage, how it is. Things are just used and thrown down here. You see? So like injection of artesunate, after they've been injected, they're thrown. Yet there's a sharp box here, sharps container. So you see all this doubt, and there are needles and syringes.
Open properly. What is in this case? Record books or your personal book?
Get a brick and you put it on this stone. Get that stone. Get the stone down.
In here,
Can I come? Let me get some of this.
in the premise, and remember they are conducting deliveries. So if she has meter but power is cut off, either your car is not paid or something is wrong. So you've seen this oxytocin. There is this oxytocin 1 ampule. Oxytocin is supposed to, that is given to mothers after delivery for controlling bleeding. So it's not kept in a fridge. That means it affects the safety of that medicine. Mosquito net, which is for government of Uganda, not for sale. She claims that it is her net, which she got some years back, but instead of keeping at home or using, you see what it is. So we can't affirm that. Some books which have never been opened, very dusty. So you see lizard droppings all over. Yeah? Premise is not clean and it's unsafe for being used as a clinic. Leave alone the suitability of the premise, but
Delivering unit.
so this next room is the labor suite, the delivery room where the lady delivers mothers from, and she also sleeps there. You can enter and see. This is our old delivery bed which she's not using, as you can see. So this is our mothers. She uses the one down for delivering mothers, then up she uses it for sleeping. And she has utensils for the kitchen inside the labor suite. As you can see, plates, cups and things, rusted box. Yeah, you can lift. This is where she delivers the mothers. And you can see then on your back here, this is the storage of the wastes. The wastes are kept here down, sharps, injection, bottles, used things which are supposed to be thrown away. And they're in the same room as the labor suite. And look at the floor. Standard labor suite usually has tile, terrazzo or tiles, with flowing water, with drainage, sluice room.
The clothes. So those are you cooking utensils. She works as a labor suite as well as a...
Where you sleep? Where do you sleep?
Here.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then who sleeps
Then
here?
how do you monitor mothers at night?
When the mother comes, I sleep here.
Where do you sleep when the mother is around?
Here I don't sleep, I sit down all night, all time.
So the expectant sleeps here. So who sleeps? The expectant mother sleeps here. The expectant mother sleeps here.
Here, this bed. This one is not mine. It's for the one who keeps here.
Okay.
I have only this one.
You want to measure the cervix?
Even the baby,
The baby was what?
very well. No problem.
So I capture very well.
When I told her, the baby very soon can start taking what? Tea.
Encourage the mother to take fruits.
And moving. At around 10 exactly, baby born.
10 a.m. now.
Yes.
What sex is the baby?
Go, baby go,
10 a.m.
baby go.
Baby boy.
Birth weight?
Birth weight for
Did you
Three.
take? You have
You have your own
machine?
machine. So
Then
where
how-
they wait from the hospital,
which hospital?
women's, where they
So no weighing scale here. Baby not weighed at facility. That one will
Birth
come.
weight not taken at the birth. We take it at the birth. Okay, what else did you observe on the baby?
the baby. But the baby gave birth this way.
No.
What do you normally report?
I'm talking about you
After
take
that.
birth weight.
After
What
that-
else did you observe on the baby?
After taking the birth weight.
Mhm. After?
What was the Apaga score?
Africa score.
What is
was-
Apaga score?
It was 1 out of 10, I think. 1 out of 10.
The 1 out of 10. That means a dead baby. Because even skin color alone, if it is pink, you score a 2. So if you give Apgar score of 1, that means it's a dead baby. No floppy movement, no
But-
pulse
but
rate,
we tried to
no
try.
breathing, then it can't be 1. So Apgar score of 1
Appearance,
Even-
pulse, respiration,
Grimace.
activity.
and reflex. So even a skin color which is pink, whether the baby is dead, that is 2, score of 2. Do you see? So if you say Apgar score of 1,
You know, it brings in the element of Apaga, knowledge deficit.
yes.
And then,
The husband left.
and
Would-
we were 2 only.
So meanwhile the you removed the placenta.
Very fast.
Then you
Very fast because I wanted to run to take the baby.
okay, meanwhile the mother was left alone.
I told her to let us go, but you take the baby, I'm resting.
So you took alone.
Okay.
The midwife took the baby.
So this one also remained alone in the facility.
I told her let us go, let me fast rest, we go.
Don't write midwife.
Mm.
You said a health worker.
So we are taking her back to the Mulago police station. Then tomorrow we are coming to inspect on the
Then because I was happened now, then later you are that's why we had that. But for official introduction, tell me the name of this facility. The name of Alpha. Then you also need to charge.
It's a loan. One star.
There is replace and name charge.
In charge and loan staff.
In charge and what he has one staff. Abatulaba mwena kuno kulabula kugenda kwabo basawo bona, specifically nurses and midwives, because I'm from the Nurses Council. Abo bona abatandika ebifo ne batandika kukolera mu kuweereza mu services nga balabirayo abalwadde ng'ebifo tibiri ku mutindo. Abo bona bajja kukwatibwa ate bajja kutwalibwa mu disciplinary committees oba mu mbuga z'amateeka bakangavubwe ng'ebiragiro nga bwe bigamba. Kyekyoyogedde eyo yenkola gye tuliko kati, kubanga tutandise okutambulamu nga tuyitaayitamu buli kaseera. Bwe tusanga facility nga teri ku mutindo eyo tuba tulina kugigalawo, ate n'ebyo ebintu ebitusangamu nga byonna tebiri ku mutindo nga bicaafu, infection control processes zonna nga tebazigoberedde bulungi, abo bonna tujja kuba nga tubavunaana. Jebale, amanya gange Jola Mutukamuhabwa. I work with the Uganda Nurses and Midwives Council, kitongole kikulira abasawo n'abazaalisa nurses and midwives. I work as the inspection, quality assurance and research manager. Nze akulira ebyokulambula amadwaliro n'okulaba enjera abantu gye bakolamu emirimu gyabwe. Kakati leero tuze wano ku kliniki gye bayita Alpha Medical Center eri wano mu Mulago. Tusanze nti omusawo ayeyita omuzaalisa abadde akola emirimu gy'atasomerera, kubanga tusanze nti kliniki gy'abadde akoleramu teri licensed in any of the councils. Ne bwe tugenze mu kisenge kyagamba nti bakazi bazaaliramu tewabaddeyo kintu kyonna, wabaddeyo just usual mattresses and nothing much. Waliwo obulagajavu bungi ku njero gye bakwatamu waste management, waliyo ebintu bingi bye batahandolinga bulungi like poor waste management practices, documentation of care yonna teriiko. Then waliwo n'omukyala wajja wano n'agamba nti yamukebera n'amupima, naye bwe tugenze kwetegereza ntusanga nti tiwaliwo ne bye yapima kubanga tiwaliwo ne kye yawandiika. Omukyala yazaala kaana n'agamba nti kale nga tikasa bulungi n'akatwala ku Mulago ne Women's Hospital. Kakati bwe yatuukayo ne bamugamba nti akaana kabadde nga kafudde, naye ne tulaba nti waliwo obulagajavu bungi kubanga waliwo ekiraga nti n'omwana baali nga bamupima to see whether the fetal heart rate and even on delivery how the baby was scored to do the assessment. So we have noted that omusawo abadde ayeyita omuzaalisa nti azaalisa abakazi sole, tusanze nti actually kyabadde akola nga takitegeera. Kisenge kyayita labor ward teri labor ward kubanga waddemu omufalasi gumu n'omulala ogubadde wagulwadde nga tuguyiko ne Macintosh. Nitusangamu esiwaani, ebikopo, engoyi, essuuka, obubaketi bw'abadde akozesa. Then waliyo n'ekiveera ekinene wansi w'ekitanda ekirala kijjuddemu ebi wastes from the patients. Byonna ekifo kibadde kikyafu nnyo, abadde atalina ne placenta pit gye bateekamu nga bamaze okuzaalisa abakazi. Kale ekifo general kyonna kibadde kikyafu nnyo. Kutiriza abakyala bona nti beeyunire nnyo okugenda mu madwaliro ga gavumenti kubanga gano ge bagendamu amangi tegalina bisaanyirizo, baba bateeka obulamu bwabwe on risk.
Of May, so that's 3 days ago. Yes. And she claimed that the mother was referred from Mulago to her. We don't know, probably issue of patient trafficking or canvassing in a bid to get faster services, but the outcome turned out bad. Postmortem was done, the result is yet to be given. Yeah, police is investigating into the matter. Yeah, we've not interfaced with her because they went home, but we'll probably follow and see how she's doing. Natara Yela, Assistant Director at State House Health Monitoring Unit. We received information about this private clinic where a mother delivered and a baby, a newborn died. As such, we prompted investigations into the matter. The case was registered at Mulago Police Station. Now, coming here, we found that the owner of the premise is enrolled comprehensive nurse called Atim Christine, who trained from Ngora School of Comprehensive Nursing and finished in 2006, according to her. She does not have anything displayed, license for practice or even for the premise. We inspected the premise and found lots of stuff mixed up, medicines and supplies used and those which are still to be used. And with poor sanitation, waste disposal, very small space, and having 2 government of Uganda items, a surgical glove, 1 pair, and then long-lasting insecticide-fitted net. The labor suit, which is the same room for sleeping, she claims for the askari, has shirts of a man there, has even cooking utensils and different things. The place is generally dirty, unkempt, there are lizard droppings all over, and the space is so small. No water flowing in the labor suit, no toilet, no sluice room, no placenta pit. We found even oxytocin, which is supposed to be under cold chain, is kept there open, lying idle, and open bottles of IV fluids. So we've gone to Nursing Council and then we've alerted them, but they're busy, so they're going to have a joint inspection with us tomorrow. But in terms of the license, they confirm yes, she qualified, but she seems not to be having the current practicing license. And the facility named Alpha Medical Clinic cannot be traced in their registry. So they are checking and we will confirm that. Please don't just go to any facility. Medical care should be provided in a facility with a high standard of care. And you're in Mulago, why would you come to such a clinic which has restaurants by the side, smoke and everything, and it's not even licensed and no clear label? Go to the government facility nearest to you and get proper services from qualified people, not like here. No wonder the child died, because the standard of care here does not meet what is expected.
When is that one expiring?
This year.
Yours. Then for the drug shop, all of them are expiring the same year.
Excuse me, doctor. Yesterday you told us that you have not paid the facility license for this year. Am I correct?
Oh, you have remembered.
No,
We are not confusing you. What licenses do you have for this? Open bottle, which is posing safety quality. We have iodine, which is also open. There's a fetoscope. Masereka?
Yes.
Fetoscope.
Fito.
Yeah, which is
Fetoscope, what kind of spelling?
FOE
F-O.
T. Yet by her profession, she's a nurse, enrolled comprehensive nurse. So she should have a practicing license from you, plus premise license, either from you or from National Drug Authority as a drug shop, which she does not have. Yeah.
Then another thing,
So illegally operating.
premise.
Yes.
There is facility, illegal operating, there is facility.
Blood pressure.
Machine. Then glucose 5%. So please have a look at this. Things that you should have.
That one I know.
She does not have it. Okay? She relies on mothers coming with mama kit.
I think that's why she had the glove here for government.
Yes,
of
for
Uganda.
government, because
I didn't dwell on
the
it.
lady came with it from Mulago.
From the mama kit.
Yes. But she does not have anything sterile even. So it's very risky. No wonder the baby died. In this condition, how can you survive?
Then, another thing I wanted to mention,
Yes.
I've worked for 10 years and above. Or a midwife, enrolled midwife for 5 years and above. But she does not fall in any of those categories because this is an enrolled comprehensive nurse. Is a nurse certificate, not a diploma. So, you talked of a drug shop. Was it a confusion or you also run a drug shop?
But she ran this as a clinic.
Okay. Okay, so I
And
think
clinic,
You can close.
Oh, wait.
You haven't passed the outside.
I know. I want someone. First, wait.
You open there.
Okay, so there are 2 rooms. This is the first room, which is the dispensing section, and they have a list of assorted medicines, which are only this Burnham cream is expired, but the rest are not expired, and they are poorly kept, mixed up, used syringes, needles, diagnostics, and there are medicines which are not supposed to be kept out. Oxytocin, which is supposed to be in cold chain. We found one vial here just hanging out, which questions its authenticity. I want you to come in and see